Okay, ma'am.
Good morning everyone. Once again I welcome to the online classes of the numerical analysis, and here in the previous class we are discussing about the concept of the Muller's method. So in that what we are learning, we are learning about the formula only. So in the first step one, what they are taking the function is nothing but y is equal to f of x. Again we have to take 3 points: xi minus 1 comma yi minus 1 to yi minus 1, xi minus 2 comma yi minus 2, and xi comma yi. Okay, and after that simply we are considering that the formula that is nothing but the Lagrange's formula. Okay, and after that simply I took the values of the hi minus 1 and so on. Now I am going to substitute. So now write down, we have the new L of x as write down as it is x minus xi plus hi into x minus xi whole divided by hi minus 1 into hi minus 1 plus hi into yi minus 2 plus into yi. Okay, so now this is nothing but the formula. Write down where already I gave once again I am giving where hi equal to xi minus 1, hi minus 1 equal to, already I gave this one before this, right? If you will write, then no need to write now. Okay, next step. Step 4. By solving the above equation, we have L of x is equal to A of x minus xi whole square plus b of x minus xi. Quadratic equation they mentioned now, so that's why you are taking that the quadratic equation, and the last one is nothing but constant. Okay, now where we have to know what is the value of the a and b and so on now. So that's what, where capital A is equal to, write as it is now, del I by hi minus del I minus 1 by hi minus 1. Okay, where what is the value of the del I here? Del I is nothing but yi minus yi minus 1. Okay, next step. Step 5. From the values of a and b, capital A and b, from the values of capital A and b, the next approximation xi plus 1, because here what we have, xi minus 2 we have, xi minus 1, xi we have. On the next iteration in value, the next approximation is nothing but xi plus 1, which is equal to xi plus 1 equal to xi plus minus b plus r minus under root of, actually here what is the formula ma? B square minus 4ac. So b square, this one, minus 4, a means capital A, c means yi by 2a. Okay? 2a. Since the above equation results to inaccurate results, and it is also equivalent form to this one. So here you can take any one. You can go with this one or you can go this one. Plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac. Okay? Next here, write down. Using Muller's method, find the root of the equation. Find the root of the equation. F of x equal to x cube minus x minus 1 equal to 0. So first of all, listen, I am going to say the procedure. So here we have that f of x. We have to take it as nothing but y. Okay. Next we have to find the interval. Next, after finding the interval, what we have to do? We have to take that xi minus 2, yi minus 2, xi minus 1, yi minus 1, and xi, yi. After taking these 3 points, we have to take the help of the Lagrange's mean value theorem, Lagrange's form. Then we will get one new equation. So from that new equation, of course, we have to substitute the h value and so on. Then we will get the new equation, which is of the form a into x minus xi whole square plus b into xi minus xi plus yi. And next we have to take the formula for this. Xi plus 1 is equal to xi minus 2yi by minus b plus r minus under root of b square minus 4ayi. Then we will get the values, and finally by taking the formulas of the capital A and capital B, we will get all those, and finally we will get the root. Okay, so now here please write. First of all, here we have to find the interval. Now here we have to check roughly. F of 0 is minus 1. Okay, negative. What is f of 1? So here plus 1 minus 1 can cancel again, negative. F of 2 is 8 minus 2 minus 1. 8 minus 3 equal to 5, which is greater than 0. So here we have negative, here we have negative, here we have positive. So now what will be the interval? 2 is a positive. Negative means we can take that 1. Okay. So now here write down directly f of 0 is minus 1 less than 0. F of 1 is, consider first of all it is y. Minus 1 again, and y equal to f of 2 equal to 5, which is greater than 0. Therefore, here xi minus 1 equal to 0. Then, I2, because it is last value positive now, so therefore the interval is 1, 2. Okay. Now xi minus 1 means 0 I am taking. Minus 2. Then what will be the yi minus 2? Minus 1. Next, xi minus 1, that is 1. Then what will be the yi minus 1? Minus 2. Xi is 2. Yi is 5. Now here what I have that the 3 points. Now here what I am doing is clearly I am writing, therefore xi minus 2 comma yi minus 2 is 0 comma minus 1. Xi comma yi equal to 2 comma 5. 2 comma 5. Next here, finally we have the 3 points. Next what I have to calculate, first of all here I have to calculate hi minus 1, all those values. Now here I am calculating all those, okay. So now here, so first of all here, right, now we have to calculate hi minus 1, hi minus 1, delta I and delta I minus 1. Now first of all here, what will be the value of hi is nothing but, you have to remember this one. Here what I have, hi. That means xi minus 1. What is xi? 2. Minus 1, that is 1. Next, hi minus 1 is again xi minus 1 minus xi minus 2. Xi minus 1 value is 1 minus 0, which is nothing but 1. The meaning of this one is interval length. Next, delta I gave the formula for this one by I minus yi minus 1. What is yi? 5. Minus yi minus 1 is minus 1, so plus 1. 6. Now, yi minus 1, yi minus 2. Yi minus 1 is minus 1, plus 1 will be 0. Right. Therefore, we have the values like above, then capital A. What is the formula of the capital A? It is 1 by, so what I gave, simply first of all we have to take that 1 by hi minus 1 plus hi, okay, and here open bracket. So clearly please listen that one, hi minus 1 term, then plus hi, and the next simply here I have the formula delta I hi minus delta I minus 1 by hi minus 1, okay, delta I by this one and this one by this one. Now listen, 1 by, what is hi minus 1? 1 plus hi is 1 of delta I will be 6 by 1 minus 0 by something will be 0. Now 1 by 2 of 6, which is nothing but 3. Now here what is the value of the capital A? Therefore capital A is equal to 3. Next, capital B. What will be the formula for this one? Delta I by hi plus AHI. Actually here A means this entire value, right, into HI. Simply we have to calculate first of all A, then it is somewhat easy. Now what is delta I? 6 by 1 plus A is 3, HI is 1. Again 6 plus 3, which is equal to 9. Therefore A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 9. Now what I have that the value of the A and B. Next we have to take that the formula of the xi plus 1. Before that, right here we have to substitute the values of A and B in the next approximations. The formula for xi plus 1 is equal to, I gave the last formula now, right now, xi minus 2yi by b plus r minus under root of b square minus 4ac. Okay. So now here every time we have to calculate this value, so that's why calculate it firstly, and after that simply. Otherwise you can calculate in each and every interval. Now here first of all what we have to do? We have to put that I is equal to 0. Now first iteration, I is equal to 0. Then x1 equal to x0 minus 2y0 by what we get here. Otherwise first of all here I am taking that xi plus 1 equal to xi. So if you are clear with the values, then you can take that directly. Otherwise see here what I have, xi minus 2. So if you put I equal to 0, then it is xi minus 2. You remember that one. If you are okay with that, then directly I will substitute I equal to 0. Then what we get here, x1 equal to x0 minus 2y0 by b plus or minus b square minus 4ay0. Now what is x0? x0 means this one, 2 minus 2 into 5 by what is b, 9 plus or minus b square 81 minus 4, a is 3, y0 is 5. Then what we get here, 2 minus 10 by 9 plus or minus 81 minus 4, 3s are okay. Yeah, 5 3s are 15. Otherwise you can go with 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 5, 60. Now it is 2 minus 10 by 9 plus or minus root 21. Now we have to take the calci. Okay. So now here what I have that 9 plus or minus 21. So mostly we will take that the value is nothing but plus. So now here I am taking that plus 2 minus 10 by 9 plus root 21. Now first of all add, okay, take that the second term, 10 divided by open bracket 9 plus root 21. No need to go for anything, just you have that the button is root, so directly press on that root 21. We have that it is 0.2 minus 0.73623. Now minus 2. Then we have that the value is the minus only direct చేసేస్తున్నాను అండి. Already I have that the value is 0.7 so on. Simply I clicked on minus 2. So then we will get that in a negative. Otherwise please take that 2 minus 0.73623. What is the value? 1 point. You got the value ma? 1.26. Write down. 3762. 5 digits, up to 5 digits I am taking. So now here what we have, 326376. Now we have that the value. Now first of all here what we have to do, we have to calculate the error. Otherwise no need to calculate the error, directly you can go for the next value. But here what you have to do, you have to change the approximation values. Okay, so now here x1 is this one. Next what we have to calculate, now to calculate to find x2 we need x2 means x2 before, we have to find x2. So for that what are the before values, x1, x0, x minus 1. Okay, so now write down, we need these values. So here x1 is nothing but equal to 1.26376, comma what is x0? x0 means in a previous one we took that value now, that is 2 xi. Next xi minus 1, right? Then what is that value? మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వకండి. ఇందాక మనం xi minus 2, xi minus 1, xi తీసుకున్నాం. ఇప్పుడు ఇది న్యూ వాల్యూ యాడ్ అయింది. సో ఈ ఈ వాల్యూ ఉండదు, ఇది ఉండదు. xi లో ఏంటి 2 అండ్ ఇక్కడ xi minus 1 లో ఏంటి 1, right? So if you want then you can take it as nothing but xi minus 2 1. Okay, so now here మీకు ఒకవేళ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతుంది మేడం మాకు ఇలా లేదు అని అంటే సింపుల్గా ఏం చేయాలంటే సీమా x1 ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి ఏమేమి వాల్యూస్ తీసుకున్నాం ముందు, ఫస్ట్ x1 ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. దీనికన్నా ముందు వాల్యూ ఏంటి x0. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రీవియస్ ఆఫ్ x0? x minus 1 అండ్ x minus 2. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ x2 క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలంటే ఏంటి x1 x0 x1 minus 1 అంటే we have to ignore this one. Now we have to take these three. I am taking those only. Okay. Next, similarly y1 y0 y minus 1. Actually we have to find y1. Now y1 means we have to substitute this value. Okay, now y1 equal to f of x1 equal to x cube minus x minus 5. What is the value? 1.26376 minus it is whole cube. మీరు ఇక్కడే క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయొచ్చండి, ఓకేనా? ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ y ఈక్వల్ టు f of y1 f of x1 ఈక్వల్ టు 1.26376 హోల్ క్యూబ్. ఇక్కడ అయిపోతే మీకు గుర్తుంటుంది ఎవ్రీ టైం minus 5. So here calculate it and say the value. Of course, just check it. You are if you say I cannot hear your voice now. 26376 whole cube minus 1.26376 minus 5. We have that it is nothing but minus. So just 1.26376 whole cube minus 1.26376 minus 5. We are getting it as a, sorry, first of all once you see the function x cube, it is minus 1. One point 26376 whole cube. I took the function as wrong one. Yeah. Now I have that the value is minus 0.24542. 2 to I. Now what I have to take? Minus 0.24542, comma x0. y0 is 5. For 1, what is the value? That means x minus 1. xi minus 1. yi minus 1. Again it is minus 1. So now here x2 equal to x1 minus 2y. I is 1 here. Second iteration na 1 by b plus r minus under root of b square minus 4a by 1. Now what is x1? 1.26376 minus 2 into what is y1? y1 or whatever it is the value. Yeah, y1 means minus 0.24542 by b is 9 plus or minus 81 minus 4, a is 3, y1 again minus 0.24542. Now here 1.26376 minus into minus plus, calculate it, 2 into 0.24542, 0.49084. Okay, so now here first of all 9 plus r minus under root of minus into minus plus 81 plus 4 3s are 12, 12 into 0.24542. Now it is 2.94504. So then what we get here? 1.26376 plus 0.4. Okay, I am taking as it is. First of all, I will calculate the denominator value. Don't take the direct steps now. 9 plus under root, open bracket, under root, okay, what we have, under root of, open bracket again, 81 plus 2.94504, close the bracket, again close the bracket. It is nothing but 18.162152 I have, so I am taking 5. Now take the division. 0.49084 divided by 18.16215. 1.26376. I got this value as 0.2702 mark. So I am taking 27. Now plus 1.26376. We got that the value is 1.290. Wait. 1.26376 plus 0.027, which is nothing but 1.29076. Okay, so this is nothing but the value of the x2. So now here the value of the x2 we have, that is, okay, sorry for this one. I took that a and b as it is. I have to calculate again the values of the a and b. Sorry for that. Okay, first of all, listen now. After starting the procedure of this Muller's method, first of all we have to find that the interval. Next we have to find that xi minus 2, xi minus 1, xi, and yi minus 2, yi minus 1, yi. Okay. Next we have to calculate a and capital B. Next we have to go for the next iteration. For the next one, we have to calculate x1, y1. Next we have to change the points. And here I forgot to calculate the values of the capital A and capital B. And here before calculating the values of the capital A and capital B, what we have to know? We have to know that the values of hi minus 1, delta I, and so on. So now here I am taking the hi minus 1, delta I minus 1. So for the previous one we took directly, right? Directly means we consider that hi as it is and hi minus 1 as it is and so on. But here what we have to change, we have to change the value of the I here. So now write down, otherwise calculate it. Hi means xi minus 1. Here what will be the value of the I? For the new one, of course, like this we have to take. First value is nothing but I equal to 0. So if I put I equal to 0, then what I will get here? X naught minus x minus 1. So here what is x naught? 2 minus 1. It is 1. Next, xi minus 1 minus xi minus 2. So xi minus 1 means I is 0 here. Then x minus 1, that means 1 minus 0 minus 2 means minus 2, right? So minus 2 means, of course here, okay, I think it is better to discuss the next method. By that you can understand easy. Muller's method, ఇందులో చేస్తే మీకు ఈ values దగ్గర confuse అవుతాయండి. So నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నా, I am going to discuss in a different method. Now here what I have? x1. So till now we have the value x1 is equal to 1.26376. By substituting it in the functional value, then what we have? We have that minus 0.24542. Okay, which is less than 0 now. First of all, which is less than 0 means for the previous one, what will be the previous one? Please try to understand. I consider xi minus 2. Now here like this I have. Okay. So for the first one we consider this one. Now we have to ignore this. Next we have to consider these three. Clear? I hope it is clear now? Now what will be the xi minus 1? So xi minus 1 will be I equal to 0. Then it will be x minus 1. Otherwise you can take that it is xi minus 2. Now you will get the clarity. Xi. Okay? So already we ignored this one now. So now this value become I minus 2. This value become I minus 1. This value becomes xi. Okay? So like this we have to take that yi minus 2, yi minus 1, yi. Okay? So I will continue this problem in the next class. So just take up to here. So by this you can understand. Please take this value. By this you can understand the next values also. Next what we get x2. Then what we have to do? We have to take these three values. Then this value becomes xi minus 2, xi minus 1, xi. Okay? Like this we have to. So I think now it is easy to you. Okay? And we will go with this method. Okay? So we will continue in the next class, and maximum I will finish this concept and we will start the new concept also. Thank you everyone. I hope it is clear. And by this, so obviously I know that you will get the confusion in the Muller's method, but by taking this part, this algorithm, then you will feel that it is somewhat easy. Thank you.